To write the formula for nickel 3 acetate, let's first write the element symbol for nickel. That's just Ni. Nickel is a transition metal, and this Roman numeral here, this 3, tells us that it'll have a 3+ charge on it. So because we have this charge here, and we have this transition metal and a polyatomic ion, we're going to have to think about charge when we write the formula for nickel 3 acetate. Acetate, when you see ATE, that's not going to be on the periodic table. That's a polyatomic ion. So either you memorize the acetate ion or you look it up. Let's look it up. So the acetate ion, that's right up here, right up top. There's two ways to write it. You can write it CH3COO- or C2H3O2-. They're the same thing, just organized a little differently. I like this way, so let's do that. So we have CH3COO, and the whole thing has an ionic charge of 1-. So when we write the formula for nickel 3 acetate, these charges, they need to add up to 0, give us a net charge of 0. That's because nickel 3 acetate, it's neutral. It doesn't have the word ion after it, so the charges, they're going to add up to 0, give us a net charge of 0. Since each one of these acetate ions has a 1- charge, we're going to need 3 of those to balance out the 3+. So we put parentheses and a 3. That gives us the formula for nickel 3 acetate. NiCH3COO. And again, sometimes you'll see this written as C2H3O2, and there are even a few other ways to write it. They're all just organized differently. This is Dr. B with the formula for nickel 3 acetate. Thanks for watching.